Hey guys, it's Dave from Dave Lorenz Cleaning out of Bensonville, Illinois. As a professional cleaner, I am always learning about new things or even old things that I just had not heard of as of yet. So today, I gave my tub and shower area a nice, good, deep cleaning with the Zep tub and tile, which is an acidic cleaner. So you can use it to get off, water stains and built up gunk around the faucets and all that type of stuff. But be extremely careful using that anywhere near natural stone, as it can cause damage to most natural stones. So, anyways, reason for the video today is to show another little thing that I can do. I've been researching and learning about this for a little while. It's pretty simple in concept, but it works to prevent dirt from sticking to your shower walls, especially if you have tile and grout, ceramic, and other stuff. The plastics, the acrylics, the fiberglass surrounds, all that type of stuff. And that little secret is to wax it with car wax. So I had a little bit of the Carnauba car wax left over from this past summer, and decided, oh, what the hell, I'm going to try it out. I'm in an apartment, so I've got these really crappy looking things that are probably going to be replaced either which way when we leave. So I got out the car wax, the applicator pad, started to do it a little bit with my buffer, but this stuff is just so cheap and so crappy, in all honesty. It just was scratching a little bit and that, so I didn't want to do the machine on it. So I did everything by hand. You can see it came out nice and shiny. Everything looks freaking pristine, and then I usually keep this fairly clean. Albeit this wax job is only one coating on it. It's primarily a test to see how one coating does and see how long it lasts. But the theory is, if you have it coated in wax, and don't worry, not the tub itself or the bottom of the tub, but if you have it waxed in that, the water sheets off along with your body oils and dirt and whatever else you do in the shower. No, I'm not going to go there. So, anyways, let me grab a cup here. Grab a little bit of water. And do a little pour down. Okay, yeah, you can see the water coming down and completely sheeting off. So, I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera good enough, hopefully. Let's see, turn off a light here. Oh yeah, that's better. So, in theory, you're taking your shower, you got shampoos, conditioners, all this grimy, nasty stuff coming off you and onto the walls. Excuse me. With the wax on there, especially in a two coating process, what we can do is all the stuff that's flinging off onto the walls is going to slide right off those walls and come right back down into the drain. So unless you're just totally demolishing your shower area, and that in theory you could just spray down your shower walls when you get done with your shower and let it all sheet off, and you're done with it. Everything's clean because nothing sticks to the wax. So I'm trying it out on my own tub right now. There we go. I don't take too many videos, so trust me, I clean a lot better than I take videos. But anyways, yeah, so we can put this onto most of your tubs surround your plastics, acrylics, fiberglass, that type of stuff. The only thing I can't put it onto is natural stone that is clear and shiny. So I will keep digging around. I'm sure there is something that I can put on there to beyond a sealer and that, because sealers typically seal the grout or some of the stone, but not all of it, and so it's not exactly the best alternative. But I'll keep digging into it. I'll figure it out. I always do. But yeah, so just a thought. Keep in mind. Take care.